you so much, Rajan sir. So hi everyone, once again a very warm welcome to all the parents and students from Olympiad Success family. So today, as you all know, we have gathered here for a demo and interaction program for Mathematics Olympiad Grade 4. Now kids, this is going to be an accelerated program. Now what I mean by accelerated, so basically your course will get completed in 20% lesser time than the regular curriculum, but then everything remains the same except for the speed and the number of session. Okay, you get to study the same amount of things, you get to study, like you have to do all the similar things, but then in limited number of sessions. So as compared to your regular sessions, this would be decreased by 20%. Okay. And like many of you are newcomers over here, so I would just give a brief about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. And like we have been successfully conducting these live classes for 4 years now. So kids, we at Olympiad Success believe in clearing your foundation and making it really strong, so that like you this is your growing age and you should understand your concepts really well, and which would be helping you to further start like with your further grades as well. So like as you are growing, you would be needing the concepts of the lower grades, so we make sure that you would be really strong with all these concepts, right? Yes. Okay. Ayush, do you want to say anything? So kids, what you have to do, so all the new joinees, you can write it down in the chat section if you have any queries, because you all will be on mute. Okay, Biplab, I can see you raising your hand. You can write it down in the chat section. And kids, today's session's flow would be like this. First of all, there would be an introduction by Niti ma'am, and like she would be your mentor for this entire course. After her introduction, we will be having a short presentation by Rajan sir. After that, I will be taking you through the tour of the platform. Post that, we'll be having a short question and answer round. So if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we will be happy to answer all your queries. Post the question and answer round, we will be starting with the demo session for which you all are here. Okay, so kids, understand that since this is a demo session, your like the demo class would be of around 40 to 45 minutes only, but then your regular live classes will be of 1 hour 15 minutes. All clear? All clear? Yes. Okay, so you have to be very interactive. So Lay is asking, will we have class tomorrow? So no, Lay, this is a demo session. Your live classes will be beginning from 16th of September. So in case if you're interested to enroll to this program, Rajan sir has shared all the links in the chat section. You can enroll yourself for this program and you can start your classes from 16th. So I would like to welcome Niti ma'am. Hi Niti ma'am, how are you? So Niti ma'am has been associated with Olympiad Success for quite a while now, and I'm sure you would enjoy taking her classes. So Niti ma'am, over to you for a brief introduction.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Can you wave your hands? Okay. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So a warm welcome to everyone. My name is Neeti. I'll be taking your classes for Olympiad. Okay. I'll be taking your batches for class 4 for this entire session. And you can see that. Yes, I can see lots of smiles here. Okay, fine. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I am associated with Olympiad Success now quite a while. And I train kids. I make sure that you start loving mathematics. Okay, that's my promise to you, that you will start loving mathematics, right? And I'm specialized in mathematics. All right. So if you have any queries, you don't need to worry. You can ask me anytime, okay, during the sessions. I'll be taking your queries. I'll be making sure that you have understood all the concepts, right?
Okay, thank you so much, Niti ma'am. Yeah. Sorry, you were going to say something?
No, I'm
okay, done. Okay, all right. So thank you so much, Niti ma'am, and it's a pleasure to have you on the platform. So kids, I'm sure you all will fall in love with mathematics. I know, like when I asked you initially, which is your favorite subject, so many of you told that mathematics is your favorite subject, so it would become the most favorite, I think so. All right, kids. So now over to Rajan sir for a quick presentation. And meanwhile, like Rian has a question, ma'am, what is the meaning of chocolate question? So Rian, these are special kinds of question wherein like these are basically, you know, Olympiad level questions, and these would have come previously in any of the Olympiad examinations as well. So I hope this answers your question, Rian. And now over to you, Rajan sir, for the presentation.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So, welcome, students. Welcome to the grade 4 mathematics demo. So, let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. Students, we also have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. We also have school test program. So, in school test program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken board, Vedic maths, as well as coding. What else, students? We also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grades 6 to 10, and one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, TRMO, and JMIN preparation classes. Now meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So many students in Olympiad Success got international ranks. Okay, so these are the students who got international ranks. Now, students, about this course, there will be around 20 students in the class, and the classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. Okay, so there will be 3 sessions per week. The days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the class timing will be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Okay, the session include mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and we will also discuss previous year paper. And students, you will also get reading material, practice question, which is available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And students, you will also get free access to the Olympiad Success platform for topic-wise mock tests for maths as well as for reasoning. Okay. Now the syllabus link I will share within the chat box. The fees for this course is 6,800, and we have 32 sessions in this course. The fee include online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year paper, and you will also get access to the platform for mathematics and logical reasoning or topic-wise mock test. Okay. Now, students, to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed. And as you know, like preparation for Olympiad exam is tougher than regular school curriculum. So you will you need to spend approx 2 hours every day to copy with the curriculum, and parent support will be needed to check answers and retrieve concepts. Okay. Now the live classes for this course will start from 16th of September, and currently we are having students from 3,800 schools, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now Aarti ma'am will give you a tour of Olympiad Success dashboard. After that, if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask them. Okay. So what do you, Aarti?
Yeah, thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation. And now let me share my screen, kids. Okay, here we go. So kids, like once you register with us for this program, you would be getting your credentials to log in, right? And access the reading material and the topic wise worksheet. So what you have to do is you have to go to this link, olympiadsuccess.com/login. There you have to enter your credentials, that is your email and password, and click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button, you would be redirected to the profile page, and you have to complete your profile before you can move to any other section on your dashboard. So the first important thing over here is live classes. Once you click on the live classes menu item, you can see this page wherein you have the subject, topic, view schedule, holiday calendar, and the meeting details. So first of all, let us take subject. So under this list, you will find all the subjects for which you have enrolled. So here I have enrolled for all the subjects, and that is why I can see all the subjects. So let me select mathematics. So related to mathematics, all the topics would be displayed over here. And if you select any one topic, the reading material, practice question and answer key would be displayed over here. So what you need to do to access these, you have to click on it and a PDF will open up. So in the PDF, you would be getting the content related to that particular topic. You can study from this, right? And now to practice the questions, you have to click on the practice questions. Again, a PDF will come up. Here, all the practice questions would be given up. You have to solve, write down your answers, and then match your answer keys with the answer keys given over here. This is again in the form of PDF. So here, the entire answer key has been given. Then we have the schedule. So once you click on the schedule button, on this PDF, you can find a detailed session wise topics would be given. So what would be covered in session 1, what would be covered in session 2, session 3, so on and so forth. Okay, so we have structured our entire syllabus into various sessions, and it would be easier for you also to understand, like, okay, in which session which topic is going to take place. Also, after every topic or two, we would be conducting mock tests, so that we make sure that you are in line with your mentor and you are understanding your concepts really well. Then we have the holiday calendar. Okay, so there would be a few holidays as well, kids. So entire list has been mentioned over here. So on these particular days, your classes will not be conducted. Then we have the Zoom meeting ID and password. So here your meeting ID and password will be displayed. Then we have the next important thing, which is worksheets. So as Rajan sir had mentioned, that you would be getting topic wise worksheets. So here, if you see, like all the topic wise worksheets are available. So for computation operation, let's say there are 10 entries available. So if you click on the take exam button, the worksheet will open up, and in each worksheet there are 25 questions. To view your answer keys, you have to click on the performance tab, click on the subject, and then click on the view button for that particular topic for which you would want to check your answer keys, and click on the view button and you would be able to see that. Okay, so that's it about the dashboard, and I'm sure like it's very simple. So once you start using it, you will get hands-on to it, right? So all your content will be there present on your dashboard. And now if you have any queries, you can write it down in the chat section. We will be taking up all your queries one by one. Any questions coming up? No? Rajan sir will be asking you a few questions then.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Should Rajan sir ask? Everybody is prepared? Yes, okay. Prithir seems to be very excited, so I'm sure he's going to answer all the questions. Right, Prithir? Okay, and what about others? Are you all ready? Okay, Vedika. And who else? Everybody ready? Yes? Okay, so Rajan sir, I think so no questions coming up. So you can ask few questions. Maybe till then some students realize like they have to ask a question.
Sure, ma'am, sure. So students, can you tell me like what are the days on which you have in the classes? You can write in the chat box.
Why is everybody writing yes? You have to write down. Why is everybody writing yes, Rajan?
I'm not very sure, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, we got
Vedika.
one answer. Yes, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is correct. Correct, Vedika. Okay. No, it is not Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Harsh. The class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. Okay. So students, can anyone share the timing of the classes? Write in the chat box. Eight to 9 is not correct. I have a problem in maths. Okay. Yes. 8 to 9:15 is correct. It is 8 to 9:15 p.m. Correct. Yes, Parushi, do you have any question? You raise your hand. You can write in the chat box. What is the fee? Okay. Can anyone tell the fees for this course? Do anyone remember? 200. No, it is not. Yes, Harsh, correct. 6,800 INR. Okay. Any other questions, students? Do anyone have any question? No? Okay. Okay. So, Artiram, shall we start with the demo then?
Yeah, we should start if nobody has any question for the question. So we should start.
Yes, 6,800 for maths only. I can't able to hear your voice. Parushi, you can do one thing. You can join again. You can join again. It's on 16th August. No, it is not. The classes will start from 16th of September. 16th August is passed already. Any other query, students, or shall we start with the session? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, I think we can start. So over to you, Niti ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, everyone. So today we will be doing the topic calendar. Okay, so you can be ready. You can keep yourself ready with the pencil and paper. If you want to write down anything, you can write it down. And rule number 1, I will be asking you the questions, but I'll be calling your names. Then only you will write it in the chat box. Okay. Or if you have any doubt, you can write it in the chat box. Okay, fine. You can show me thumbs ups. You can show me your gesture if you have understood. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Lord. Let's begin with the class. Okay, so I suppose now you can see the screen, right? So today's topic is calendar. So now we will be talking about calendar. Everybody know what is calendar? You can show me your thumbs ups, thumbs down. Very nice. Good. I can see a lot of thumbs ups. So basically calendar is just like clock, right? It gives us a passage of time. It gives us that how we can understand the time in terms of days, weeks, years, right? You must have studied clock, and in clock you know what is minute, what is second, what is hour. Similarly, in calendar, we will be talking about days, weeks, and years. And right, it is used to mark the passage of the time, how the time is floating in calendar. So now everybody know what is a month, right? So this is the format for the month, right? Now in this month, we have 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we write the month on the top. So this is the format. This is the layout of how we write a month in the calendar. Okay. Now you can see that these are the days of the week, right? Everybody know the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, you can start saying with me, count on your hands. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Everybody loves Saturday, Sunday. These are weekends, right? And we enjoy. So from Monday to Friday, these 5 days are counted as weekdays. And the last 2 days, Saturday, Sundays, are considered as weekends. Am I correct? Right? Okay. So now what is time? Anybody can tell me what is time? You can write it in the chat box. What exactly is time and what is exactly is day? How Earth is contributing in this factor? You must have studied in your science. You have studied Earth rotation and revolution. You can write it in the chat box. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Lovely. Okay. Okay. Okay is not an answer. I want anybody can tell me why why one day is considered as the unit of time, or why. Anybody who can write the answer: rotation and revolution, right? Very nice. Rotation. Fine. So see, this is Earth. Can you see my hand, everyone? So this is Earth. When my Earth is rotating on its axis, it's just rotating on the axis. That means the day and night are occurring. Okay, the one day has 24 hours. It has few hours for days, for daytime, and few hours for the night time. So the rotation is helping. The Earth rotation is giving us 24 hours. And the revolution means when the Earth is completely revolving around the sun, okay? So that is making a year. Day means when the Earth rotates, yes. So you can see that one complete rotation on the axis give us 1 day. And day is the standard unit of time in calendar. So we can say that 1 day has 24 hours, right? And 1 week makes 7 days. This is a general fact which you know from class 2, from class 1. 1 week has 7 days, right? Now, what is the first day of the week? What is the first day of the week? Quickly write it in the chat box. First day of the week. Monday, absolutely correct. And what is the last day of the week? Sunday, yes. And Saturday, Sundays are considered as the weekends, right? And this cycle keeps on repeating. After every Sunday, Monday comes, then Saturday, then again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. The cycle keeps on repeating, right? So this is a continuous cycle which is keep on repeating. Now I'll tell you the name of the months. You can see the name of the months. Everybody know that there are 12 months in a 1 year. So these are the name of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Oh my God, everybody know the names, right? Anshuman, you know the names of the calendar, the months? So when is your birthday? You can write it in the chat box. Which month? Which month? April. Avni is saying April. Very good. Any birthdays in this month? September? March. Any birthdays in this month? September? Lovely. Good. Okay. So now every month has its own number of days. You know that? Every month has their own number of days. Some months can have 31 days. Some months can have 30 days. And there is only one month that is having less than 30 and 31 days. That is February, right? February has 28 days or it has 29 days. Now, why 29 days? We will do it in the next slide. Why 29 days? Yes, I know it's a leap year. In leap year, yes, very good. We will be talking about the topic, the concepts one by one. Okay, yes, it is a leap year. In leap year, the one extra day and that extra day is adjusted in the month of February. Okay, so let's continue first. Let's, we will say, let's first say the months. Okay, now January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You know the knuckle method? Everybody know the knuckle method? You know the knuckle one? Okay, now the things that are coming on the top, the mountains, right? That those months have 31 days, and those months which are coming in the valley, that has 30 days, right? Everybody know this. I know you are smart kids. Everybody know this. So now let's begin and start saying the names of the months. Start from January. Everyone, put your knuckle. Show your knuckle in the camera like this, and then we'll do it. January, February down, March up, April down, May up, June down, July. Then August again, repeat the cycle. August, September, October, November, December, right? So now you have got your days, that which month has which number of days, right? That's clear. Now we're talking about that in 1 month, you want to ask something, Vedika, you are raising your hand. You want to write something in the chat box, you can ask me. Biplab is saying, I can't understand. Biplab, you are not able to understand what? The knuckle method? Biplab, can you look at the screen? You have not understood this knuckle method? You have understood. So what you have not understood? Write it in the chat box, please. I know, ma'am, about the leap year. Okay, well done. Very good. I'm waiting for Biplab's reply because she has written that she has not understood. I don't know which topic she has not understood. I know, ma'am. Okay. Biplab, I'm waiting for your reply, beta. What is the meaning of revolution? Revolution means when Earth is rotating around the sun, a complete revolution. And axis rotation means when it is rotating like this only. Okay, that you can understand in science. Okay, Biplab is not writing anything, so let's begin the class. So now a month has 4 to 5 weeks. Why 4 to 5 weeks? Can anybody tell me? You can write it in the chat box because 1 week has 7 days. This is clear. 1 week has 7 days. So 2 weeks makes 14 days. 3 weeks makes 21 days. Please stop writing about leap year. We will be discussing that topic later on. No, ma'am, I cannot understand that the leap year ones. Biplav, I will explain the leap year concept. I have not came yet to leap year concept. Okay. We will be understanding it. Don't worry. 3 weeks has 31 days. Everybody understood? 7 plus 7 plus 7. Or you can write it 7 multiply 3. Then 4 weeks have 28 days. Now this is clear to everyone that 4 weeks has 28 days. So that means if I have, for example, my month is January and I have 31 days in January month. Out of these 31 days, 28 days makes 4 weeks. Yes. And I have 3 days extra. So that means I have 4 weeks and 3 days. So that means we are rounding off to 4 to 5 weeks. That's why we are calling that a month can have 4 weeks or may have more than 4 weeks, right? Yes, it can have 3 days or 2 days. If the month has 30 days, in that case, it will be having 4 weeks and 2 extra days, right? And in the month of February, it has exact 4 weeks, but not in the leap year. In leap year, it will be having 4 weeks, 1 day extra, right? Okay, now we will be talking about the months as you have already seen. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. You can see the name of the months, right? This is the first month, second month. So if the question is asking you, tell me the 8th month of the year. So you will definitely write August. If somebody is asking you, give me the name of the 4th month. You can directly write April, right? And these are the number of days which are given to the months that we have done through knuckle method, right? Everyone is clear? And these are the short forms that you can use. Now, when we add all these days, we will get the total number of days of the year, correct? So total number of days will be 365 days in the normal year. In one normal year, there will be 365 days. Now, how they have calculated, see the calculations, everyone. You can see that number of days, 31 number of days. How many months are having 31 days? Let us quickly find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that is why they have multiplied 7 by 31, correct? Now 30 days, how many months are 30 days? Quickly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they have multiplied 4 with 30. And then only 1 month, February, has 28 days. So we have written 1 multiplied 28. Now somebody was asking me what is a leap year. Now the next topic will be leap year. Leap year means a year that is coming after every 4 years. Okay, and in that leap year, we have 1 extra day. And that 1 extra day is adjusted in the month of February. And in February, 28 days become 29 days. And the total number of days turn to be 366 days. This is the difference between a normal year and a leap year, right? Number 1 difference is a leap year comes after every 4 years. Number 2, in leap year, February has 29 days. And in leap year, the total number of days becomes 366 days. This much is clear? Now, this is a year. In a year, you are having 365 days. This I have already told you. Now, every 4th year has an extra day. That extra day make it a leap year, and then the number of days become 366. Okay? That extra day I have already told you is added in the month of February, which makes it 29 days. Now, how you will understand it is done in the 4th table. Yes. Now, how you will come to know whether a particular year is a leap year or not? For example, you are writing 2006. Let's say, okay. Now you want to check whether this leap is a leap year or not. So you will divide it by 4. Okay. Now let's divide. Let's see what will be the answer. Oh, I'm getting a remainder. So in case if you are getting a remainder, that means that particular year is not a leap year. Okay. But in case the remainder is 0, let's take this year, 2012. Okay. So I'm taking 2012. Let me erase it. Now in 2012, if I want to divide it by 4, I will write 50. So in this case, you can see I'm getting remainder as 0, right? So when remainder is 0, that means this year is a leap year. Is it clear to everyone? Very good. And the second is, if the year is ending in hundreds, it will not be a leap year unless it is divisible by 400, right? In that case, you have to divide the year by 400, but you can go with the step 1 also. Okay, you can go with the step 1 also. You will never get a wrong answer. All right. Now, very interesting thing. How many weeks in 1 year? You know that in 1 month, I'm getting 4 weeks or more than 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. Now, how to calculate number of weeks in 1 entire year? You know that 1 entire year has 365 days. Yes, Anshuman, SK, Kumar, Laya, Ryan. Can I have your gestures? Anybody thumbs ups? Everybody know that 1 year has 365 days. So now if you divide 365 days by 7, 7 means 7 days in 1 week. So you will get the number of weeks in 1 year. So it will be about 42 weeks. Oh, sorry, 52 weeks. Because see, I'm doing the division for you also. Let me do the division so that you have more clarity on it. Now let's divide 365 by 7 and let's see what is the answer. 7 multiply 5, 35. Okay, then 7 to 14. So 52 weeks are coming and 1 extra day is coming as a remainder. So this is only written 52 weeks and 1 extra day in the entire year, right? And in the leap year, this becomes 2 extra day, right? Because we have 366 days. So in leap year, we will get 52 weeks and 2 extra days. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Should I move to the next slide? Any doubt? No, okay. So I'm moving ahead. Now, these are few points that you need to keep in mind. Okay. You know that 1 week has 7 days. That's very obvious. You know that. 1 year has 365 days. Then 1 year has about 52 weeks means approximate because it will be having 1 extra day. And in 1 leap year, you have 366 days. In 1 year, you have 12 months. And in 1 month, again, about word is used because you will be having 4 weeks, either 3 days extra or you are having 2 days extra, right? So that's why we have used the word about. Then 1 decade makes 10 years and 1 century is 100 years and 1 millennium means 1000 years. My God. So you all are, you know how you are all millenniums. Okay, so now 1900, that means 1900 to 1999. Whosoever was born in these years, they belongs to 20th century. So I belong to 20th century and you belongs to 21st century because you have taken birth in these years from 2000 to 2099. So if now somebody asks you with which century you belong, so what you will say? 21st century kids, right? You all are 21st century kids. Okay, now this is an interesting question. Let's say, okay, Now this is the calendar which is given to you. You can read this calendar very easily. The month is given, the year is given, then the weeks are given: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now the question is asking you that what will be 30th April. So you know how to read a calendar. You will locate where is the 12th April. 12th April is given Thursday. Yes, it is Thursday. Now they are asking you on which day will be 30th April. So you will start locating where is the 30th. 30th is here. So 30th, what is 30th? Write down in the chat box quickly. Monday. Very nice. Lovely. So you know how to read it now. Monday is the answer. Clear? This is very easy. Good. Okay, now this requires your, okay, is anything somebody is writing in the chat box? Yes, Monday is the correct answer. Very good. Now let's do this question. Now this requires your attention, please. Now Anushka is a girl. Oh, just a minute. Okay, now Anushka is a girl and her grandmother has went to USA for a vacation on 4th of June 2010. All right. And she came back on 26th August, same year, 2010. But she has spent few months there. So how many times? What is the vacation duration? So she has spent there June. Sorry. June. She has spent June, then July, and then August. Right? She has spent there, but there are certain dates that you need to remember. Now let us see the solution for your more understanding. Now the days in the June. She has started her journey on 4th of June. And how many days are there in the month of June? Write down in the chat box. In June, how many days are there quickly? June. Is it 30 days, 31 days? How many days in the month of June? Okay, 30, right. So if I subtract 30 minus 4, you will get 26. But we will be including 4th because she has started her vacation on 4th. So we will add 1 and we will get 27 days for the month of June, right? She was on vacation for 27 days in the month of June. Now entire July she was on journey, she was on vacations. So 31 days we will include for July month. Now for August, she was back on 26th. So that means till 25 she was in USA. So we will include 25 days. So now when we will add 27 plus 31 plus 25, we will get 83 days. So her vacation was 83 days long, right? Her vacation was 83 days long. Is everyone clear with this? Any doubt? Any doubt here? No. Okay, should I move ahead? Okay, everybody is saying no. Yes, okay, thank you. Now this is very interesting question. Let's see who will do this. I'm opening the chat box and I will be watching your chats. Okay, now how many hours? Now I'm giving you a hint. Okay, how many hours are there in 1 week? You know that one day has how many hours? 24 hours. So 1 week has 7 days. So 7 days will have 7 multiplied 24. So what will be the answer? 7 multiplied 24. Quickly in the chat box. 160. Pratiti has written. Okay, B 168 hours. Absolutely correct. So B is our answer. Very good. Very smart class. Very good. So 168 hours are there in 1 week. That means 7 days. Very nice. Okay, now you have to convert this. How are 22 days can be written in weeks? Now you know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So if you have to write now days in terms of week, you will divide 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7, what you will get? B. Okay, a lot of you are saying B. Okay, let's divide for those who have not understood. 22 divided by 5 or 22 divided by 7. You will get 3 1 by 7. You know how to write this into mixed fraction? Absolutely correct. No, not 3. Please, 3 is not the answer. B part is the answer. 3 1 by 7. Am I correct? That means 3 weeks and 1 by 7 day. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now, let's see this one. Now, Independence Day. When is the Independence Day? Quickly tell me. Which date is the Independence Day? Anyone, everyone can write it in the chat box. What is the date for the Independence Day? No, 15th August. Yes, Anif, 26th January is the Republic Day. 15th August, right. So 15th August 1994 was Monday, right? Now they are asking you on which day the Sunday will fall among these days. So now everybody know that August and September are coming one after another. These are the consecutive months, right? So now we also know that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is here, right? And similarly, for September also it will be, sorry, I have written Sunday again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, right? So now 15th August in 1994 was on Monday. So let's see, this is 15th August, right? Now, if I want to calculate the next Monday, I will add 7 to it and I will get next Monday as 22. I'll again add 7 to it and I will get again my next Monday is 29. Children, are you getting it? Everybody know this now? When we add 7 days, we reach the same day, right? So Monday is 15, then next Monday is 22, then next Monday is 29. And you know that August is a 31 days. August has 31 days. So now my 30 will be on Tuesday and 31 will be on Wednesday. So now we will reach to September and September will start from Thursday. So it will be first of this now, right? Now, if I add 7 to this again, I'll reach Monday again, but 2 days are already taken in the month of August. So next will be 5th of September. Now 5 plus 7 will give me 12. 12 plus 7 will give me 19. 19 plus 7 will give me 26. But what is given in the option? I have to find out the Sunday. So if Monday is 19th, then Sunday will be 18th of September. So C is the correct answer. Everybody got this? Right, 18th, right. Okay, now let's do this. This is very easy. What is the period of time in hours and minutes from 9:15? Who will tell me what is 9:15 in the chat box? You can write down. 9:15 in the morning. I'm waiting in the chat box. 9:15. Yes. What is morning? AM and PM? AM. 9:15 AM. Okay, very good. And 2:30 means? 2:30 in the afternoon. In the afternoon. Write down. 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm waiting. (2:30 PM). Very good. So now they are asking you what is the time period from this to this. From this period to this period. So you can see that from 9:15 AM, let me reach, we will make slabs. We will make different slabs to reach the time accurately. So from 9:15 to 10 o'clock, I can write one slot, which has how many minutes? You will write hours and minutes, okay? So 9:15 to 10 o'clock, how many minutes are there? 45 minutes? Right? Prishka, right? Avni, S. Kumar, Biplan. Right? Now from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, how many hours? Quickly write it in the chat box. How many hours? From 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. From 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, I'm not getting the messages. Okay, 4 hours. Yes. So I will write 4 here. Now, but I need to reach 2:30. So from 2 o'clock to 2:30, the minutes will be 30 minutes. So I will add all this. So I will get 4 hours and 75 minutes. But now there is a twist. Now, what is the twist? We do not have 75 minutes maximum. We can have 60 minutes in the clock. Right? So if I give this 60 minutes, I remove the 60 minutes from here. So I will be left with 15 minutes. But where I will send that 60 minutes? I will carry over that 60 minutes to hours. And in hours, it will become +1. So my answer will be 5 hours, 15 minutes. So which one is the correct option? D? Right? 60 minutes when transferred to hours, it will become 1 hour. So I will add 1 hour to 4 and I'll get 5 hours, 15 minutes. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now again, this is a question that requires your attention. A school vacation is beginning from 14th April. That means till 13th April, the school was on. From 14th April, your vacation is started, right? So in the month of April, how many days are there? 30 or 31? In the chat box, please. 30 or 31? 30. Okay. So 30 minus 14. What will be the answer? 30 minus 14? 16. Very good. We will add 1 to it and we will get 27 days for the month for April vacations. Okay. The number of days for vacation in April month was 27. Now entire May, we are having vacations. So May has 31 days. So 31 days. Then for June, till 10th of June, we were having holidays. So 10 days for the month of June. Add all these days. 27 plus 31 plus 10. What will be the answer? Write it in the chat box. I'm not getting. B, 58, 67. Wait. Yes. So what is the answer? Sorry, this is 17, not 27. This is 17. So sorry. 17. So answer will be 58 days. Right? Okay. Now this one. Okay, now which one is the following? The greatest period of time. That means the greatest time span between the periods. From 7:15 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. How much time will be there? How many minutes are there between 7:15 and 8:10? Quickly tell me. Write it in the chat box. 7:15 to 8:10. How many minutes are there? 55 minutes. Okay. Good. Okay, then from 12 noon to quarter to 1. Quarter to 1 means 12:45. So how many minutes are there in this B? B. Write down in the chat box from 12 noon to 12:45 p.m. 45 minutes. Absolutely correct. Very good. Okay, then 7:15 means 7:15 a.m. and 8:30 means 8:30 a.m. So what is the time in this 7:15 to 8:30? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. 75 minutes. Somebody has written. Okay. 1:45. No. See, 7:15 to 8:15 will be 1 hour. That means 60 minutes and 15 minutes more. So it will be 75 minutes. Right? No, it will be 1 hour 15 minutes, not 1 hour 30 minutes. From 3:10 to 3:50, it's just 40 minutes. So which one has the greatest time duration? This C part. So 75 minutes is the answer. Correct? Okay, now in which of the following months 3 days occurs 5 times? 3 days occurs 5 times. Anybody? November has how many days? Quickly tell me, November has how many days? 30. June 30. February 28. August has 31 days, right? So now calculate the weeks. Now only August will be having 4 weeks and 3 extra days. Now that 3 extra days can be Monday, can be Tuesday, can be Wednesday. So only in the month of August, the 3 days can occur 5 times. Okay? Because we have 3 extra days. So that is the month of August is the correct answer. Okay, now divide the years by 4 and tell me which one is the leap year. If the remainder is 0, that means that is the leap year. Find it out quickly. Which one is the leap year? Divided by 4. Yes, this is a leap year. 1996 divided by 4, you are getting a leap year. This is not a leap year. It's having a remainder. So, sorry. So this is not a leap year. This is also a leap year and this is also a leap year. So the question is asking which is not a leap year. So this one is not a leap year. Correct? Okay. Now you have to write this in the decimal notations. So this decimal notation you will be doing if you don't know. Okay, you will be doing when we will be starting the classes with the decimals chapter. But those I'm just want to give you a quick, you can say that just an answer to it. Maybe you understood, maybe you not. So indicating quarter. Quarter means 3 by 4. Everybody know this? Quarter means 3 by 4. Now you have to write the decimal notation of a number indicating quarter to 7 hours. Quarter to 7 means we have not reached 7 hours. We are about to reach. So 3 by 4 always indicate 0.75. Okay. And we have not reached 7 hours. So it will be 6.75. All right. Yes. This is a little, no. D is not the correct answer. It will be 6.75. When we will be doing the decimal chapter, you will get more clarity on this. Okay, next is 17340 seconds. So how many hours and how many minutes? So these are seconds. First, you will convert these seconds into minutes by dividing it by 60. Now quickly divide it by 60 and tell me the answer. You can write it in the chat box. I am also dividing. You also divide. Okay. So now the answer is coming as 289 minutes. Okay. I have converted this seconds into minutes by dividing by 60. Now what is happening? I know that 1 hour has 60 minutes and I have these many minutes. So I'll convert it into hours by dividing it by 60. So now again divide 289 by 60 and tell me what is the answer. So 4, it will be 240. So 49. I cannot divide it further. So my answer will be 4 hours because this is in hours. The quotient will be in hours and this remainder will be in minutes. So my answer will be 4 hours, 49 minutes. C option. Is that clear, everyone? When we will be doing the chapter, everything we will be doing in detail. I'm just telling you the tricks. Okay? How you can divide seconds directly into hours and minutes. You can divide it by 60, reach minutes, and then again divide by 60 and reach hours and minutes. Is that clear to everyone? Now, it is 25 minutes to 12 o'clock. That means, how much time is there? 11:35. Right? We have not reached 12 o'clock. The time is 11:35. So where will be the minute hand? Quickly write it in the chat box. Where will be the minute hand? Is it on 12, 10, 7 or 8? 7. So 7 is C. This is 7. Very good. Quick answers. Lovely. So now, yes, if it takes 10 seconds to print a picture, okay, you are taking 10 seconds to print a picture. And how many pictures can be printed in 50 minutes? Now there is a trick here. If you are getting two numbers in different units, means one is in second and another is in minutes. So always convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. Okay, so convert this into seconds. On converting this into seconds, you will multiply by 60 and you will get 300 seconds, right? So now you will divide 300 by 10 and you will get, 3,000. 3,000 divided by 10, you will get 300 pictures. So C is the correct answer. Right? 3,000 seconds divided by 10. Okay, lovely. Okay. So yes, that's all. So I hope everybody has liked the session. So how was the session? You can write it in the chat box, children. That's all. You can all write it in the chat box. I would love to hear the feedback. Quickly, I'm waiting. Very good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. With a double triple O. Oh my God. Okay. Anything else? Nice explanation. Thank you, Nidhi. Very nice. Very good. Interesting. Lovely. Okay. Very, 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 very good, Vedika. Okay. Thank you so much for your feedback. So now we will meet each other on 16th of September live classes, right? So can we all end up the session now? Okay, it's good to see you all. So I'm waiting for you. We'll join back again on 16th of September. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.